Morning, guys. Nasty day today. We're starting the day off cleaning our fleet vehicles Tuesday. We got 2 of them done. We got the baby brother left. But man, it's a nasty day. Whew. This weather in Kentucky is ridiculous. It was 81 degrees yesterday. 82 degrees the day before, and it is 47 degrees this morning. So yeah, we have changed up hoodies. We're trying to knock these 4 out this morning. We started here at 7, and then we got to go to 30 minutes away and do 2 more vehicles, full details on both of them, and then go check on a golf cart to. I got to measure a golf cart to rack. They want a color change on their go-kart. So yeah, we'll be showing progress through the day of this nasty, dreary day. So we're at our second stop for the day. We got a little Toyota Highlander, full detail, and it is covered in pet hair, covered, smothered. Yeah, man, it's a big good one. Sometimes I say they ain't that bad, but it's bad. All cleaned up. We're pumping concrete today. Yeah, buddy. So them pupper stuff cleaned up. Here we go. So hey, you guys working on weekends? Man, we hate to work on weekends. You got people calls us want us to work on weekends. They don't work on weekends. Well, they want me to work on weekends. I don't know. I know a lot of detailers do. I see. I know Mo works on weekends and some of these other guys. But you know, we get plenty of business through the week. We don't need to work on the weekends. We like to spend time with our family just like everybody else. And I don't want to work 6-7 days a week. So that's what we do. So we got the, looks like we got a lot of the hair up. I'm gonna say 99% of it. Looking good. Now I need to deal with these stains. They're not too bad, so I'm gonna use the drill brush and the extractor. So, job number 3 today. Job number 3. Got a Hyundai Santa Fe, I believe it is. A little bit of trash in it. Up on the seat, leather seat to wipe it up. Looks good. Stuff right here. Here's the golfer. Here's the golfer. Okay, it'll clean up. This will clean up good. Here we go. Number 3 today. Alright. Car number 6 today. All shined up. Looking good. All cleaned up. Hard to see, but she's looking good. Yeah. Good looking car.